Cut off. To stop or interrupt something. Example, electricity, water, or a conversation. They cut off the electricity during the storm. Don't cut off people when they are speaking. Act up. To someone, often a child, behaving badly or causing trouble. The kids started acting up during the long car ride. The dog acted up because it was scared of the thunder. Act up. To something not working properly. Example, a device or body part. My laptop always acts up when I have an important meeting. His knee acts up whenever the weather gets cold. Brush off. To ignore, dismiss, or reject someone or something. He tried to talk to her, but she brushed him off. Don't brush off your teacher's advice. It's important. Back up. To support someone or something. I will back you up if you need help. He backed up his brother when he had a tough time. Back up. To move backwards. Please back up. You are standing too close to me. I had to back up my bike to let the car pass. Die out. To gradually disappear or stop existing. Dinosaurs died out millions of years ago. Many languages are dying out because people don't use them anymore. Enter into. To begin or start something, usually a formal discussion, agreement, or activity. They entered into a business partnership last year. I don't want to enter into an argument right now. Fall apart. To break into pieces or fail and become emotionally upset. Without proper care, the house will fall apart. Their relationship fell apart after the argument. Go through. To experience something difficult. She had to go through a lot during her illness. She went through a painful breakup last year. Hit on. To flirt with someone. Some guy was hitting on me at the cafe yesterday. He tried to hit on her at the party, but she wasn't interested. Jot down. To write something quickly. I need to jot down your number before I forget it. He always jots down ideas in his notebook. Knuckle down. To work hard on something. It's time to knuckle down and finish this assignment. If you want to pass the exam, you will have to knuckle down and study. Lay off. To dismiss someone from a job. The company had to lay off 100 workers last month. Many people got laid off during the pandemic. Mix up. To confuse or mistake one thing for another. Don't mix up the sugar and the salt again. She mixed up the dates and missed the appointment. Mix up. To combine things together. Mix up the eggs and milk for the pancakes. I mixed up cream and sugar for the coffee. Name after. to give someone the same name as another. He was named after his grandfather. The school was named after a national hero. Open up to share your feelings or thoughts with someone. She finally opened up about her problems. It's important to open up when you are feeling sad. Quarrel over, to argue or fight about something. They always quarrel over money. We shouldn't quarrel over such small issues. Agree with, have the same opinion. I agree with you that honesty is important. I don't agree with eating junk food every day.